ORB stands for Opening Range Breakout, one of the most important levels day traders watch. The first 15 minutes after market open sets the tone. The high and low of that period become critical levels for the rest of the day. This study captures those levels and plots two yellow lines on your chart. During the 15-minute opening period, you'll see dashed lines. After the opening period, they become solid lines extending across your chart. The label at the top displays one of three messages telling you exactly where price is in relation to the opening range. A couple things to keep in mind. 1. It's designed for 15-minute charts or smaller. If you're viewing a higher timeframe chart, the system will put an alert icon on the chart until the time frame is changed back to 15 minutes or less. 2. This study only works during live market hours. It will display a yellow pause icon during pre-market, after hours, and when the market is closed. The opening range breakout is a classic day trading setup. It gives you clear levels to watch as price moves throughout the day. That covers this study. When you're ready to add it to your charts, my TOS Chart Styles video is where you want to go. That's where I walk through my complete chart style setups and share the Flex Grid so you can use these studies too. If you found this helpful, share with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.